Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are feeling blessed. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a super easy barbecue chicken wings recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so if you guys would like to see more of how I make this recipe, just keep watching. To make this recipe, we're going to use 1 pound of chicken wings. That's what the chicken wings look like. It's nice and clean and it smells really good. So to season our chicken, we're going to use Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. We're going to go in with our smoked paprika. If you have regular paprika seasoning, you can use it as well. It's going to give your chicken lots of flavor and that nice brown color, along with your dry parsley, ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, which is optional, and of course we're going to use our Old Bay seasoning. This seasoning is so flavorful, guys. It's one of my favorite. You can also use it for your chicken. We're going to add some sea salt. We're going to go in with regular oil. So this is vegetable oil I'm using. I ran out of olive oil, but if you have olive oil, you can use it as well. We're going to go in with a hint of honey barbecue sauce. This is going to add so much flavor to these chicken wings. Okay, so this is what the chicken looks like. Like I said, it's already washed and cleaned up. I'm going to go in and trim the extra fat and stuff off the chicken, just like that, and then we're just going to go right in and season these beautiful chicken wings. Okay guys, so we're going to pat the chicken wings dry. Make sure it's very dry because it's going to help your chicken wings to get nice and crispy while it's baked. We're going to go in and add the oil onto the chicken. Next, we're going to go in with our paprika seasoning. This chicken is going to taste so flavorful, guys, with the paprika seasoning, Old Bay seasoning. Next, we're going to go in with our garlic powder, onion powder. So this is a quick and easy recipe, and it's, oh my god, the seasoning that I'm using here is going to add so much flavor. We're going to add some dry parsley to this as well. I love chicken wings, guys, one of my favorites. Next, we're going to add our sea salt. Next, we're going in with 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. Okay, so this is the first time I am using Creole seasoning for my chicken wings. Next, we're going to go in with red pepper flakes, which is optional for this recipe. But if you like a bit of spice to your chicken like myself, I love my chicken wings to be a bit spicy, you can go ahead and add your red pepper flakes. Now we're going in with our Old Bay seasoning. Next, we're just going to go in, massage the chicken. Make sure it's fully coated into the seasoning, just like that. Now we're going to place our chicken wings on a baking tray, guys. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. We're going to set the chicken to bake for 30 minutes. In between, while it's baked, you can flip your chicken over, just to make sure both sides are fully baked in the oven. After baking for 30 minutes, this is what your chicken wings look like, guys. Those are nice and crispy. Ooh, do you guys see the nice brown color and the juice that's coming off the chicken wings? It's so beautiful. Like I said, it's a quick and easy chicken wings recipe, and those chicken wings look so crispy. We're going to go right in and add our hint of honey barbecue sauce. This sauce is so flavorful. So if you decide to make this recipe, please use a hint of honey barbecue sauce because it gives your chicken wings so much flavor. Now we're going to coat the chicken wings into the barbecue sauce, just like that. You guys see that? It looks so beautiful. Look at that way. It looks so good. So just mix the wings around, and your wings supposed to look just like this. Look at that. Beautiful. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Once you're done, we're going to garnish with some fresh parsley, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result of this delicious barbecue chicken wings recipe. So after adding the parsley to the chicken wings, this is what the chicken wings looks like. It's nice and juicy. It came out so good, guys. A quick and easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye.